Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the robot packing puzzle. This puzzle was made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the robot packing puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces into the tray. And if you take a closer look at the tray, you will find that it has some restrictions on the bottom and on top, which makes it quite a challenge to put parts inside. And there are 4 parts. Each piece has a different color: blue, yellow, green and orange, and each piece has a unique shape. There are no 2 similar parts, as you can see. Once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that you can easily fit 1, 2, even 3 parts inside the frame, but there is not enough space for the last piece. Even though it looks like there is plenty of space left between the parts, but there is not enough space to fit the last tiny robot into the frame. So you have to find how to do that. If you like the robot packing puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I will start with the green piece. It goes right here. Pay attention on the restrictions on the frame, since it has to go only in this corner. If you put the frame in the wrong way, you won't be able to solve it. Then the blue piece goes right here. Again, you can flip the part, but you won't be able to fit it inside, so it's only one position for this robot. Then we grab the orange piece and it goes right here. And now there is just enough space to fit the yellow piece, which is exactly the same. It doesn't matter how you put it, like this, or you flip it, you still will be able to fit it right here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all of them are within the frame, none of them are sticking out, and the puzzle is solved. If you like the robot packing puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.